Affiliate marketing is a business model with huge opportunity tips for markets. In this report, you are going to learn how to tap fully into the potential so that you can start earning big while working little. The term passive income essentially refer to any revenue stream doesn't require your constant attention and care. For example, if you bear to sell a mobile app, then you could theoretically release the app onto the app store and then let the sale roll in. You could then head off the retire to the tropical island and you had still be earning the same money. This is the dream of money internet markets to be able to earn cash while they sleep. Not only because well that obviously Amazon, but also because it means that the business model is highly scalable. If you can release one hit of you release 100, you want to be working any extra, but your earning will have gone up x 100. The problem with releasing an app through is that it requires skill, time, money, and luck. The average joy cannot simple decided that they are going to release a best selling app. That's the bad news. The good news through is that there are other way you can make passive income. Some of these methods are increasable, simple and highly effective. And the best part of all the that anyone can use them. Affiliate marketing is just such a method. I am here to tell you that it is time to your setup and took notice of this option. Moreover, it is time to you started doing it right. Affiliate marketing really is a system that anyone can use to start marketing passive income online. It is foolproof and it requires not technical skill. The only reason that more people are not doing this is that they either don't know about it or they don't really believe how powerful and effective it is. Let's put it simple. If you invest just a couple of hours each evening into affiliate marketing, then you can expect to even eventually earn enough money that you can quit your day job. The best part, you don't even need to create a product yourself. You don't even need to create your one marketing material materials. You are going to simple to take an existing business model and duplicate it to start making money for yourself. It is a copy and paste business plan. See, foolproof. Okay, so not quite foolproof. In this report, you are going to discover 5 ways that you can start getting more from your affiliate marketing. 1. Branch out with different product and service. The first tip, if you want to make the very most from your affiliate marketing activates, then one of the most important way to do so is to branch out with different product. That is to say that you should be selling more than just ebooks. Ebooks are the go-to option for many markets because they are likely to use platforms such as GBJU and ClickBank. Ebook of course have no overhead or delivery costs. Yet that also means that creators are able to offer much higher commissions. But while that all sounds good, selling ebook also limits your market drastically. Why? Because a lot of people don't buy ebook. Think about it. Does your grain buy ebooks? How about your friends who doesn't read? How about any of your friends who are into internet marketing and don't read self improvement? This is way despite what many blog may lead you to believe physically product or still buy for the biggest seller on the web. So if you sell those, whether through Amazon and another affiliate program or a direct deal with the manufacturer, you will be able to make significantly more sales, which means more money. But but what's more is that this will also allow you to offer some product that cost significantly more. For example, what if you were to sell a college MBA course? Yep, there are programs that let you do this, and as you can imagine that profit in footage gigantic. Like this, you could use something as simple as Amazon as associate account is in order to sell gaming laptop. This of then cost $3,500 and more than even 4% of that is still over $100 to use the right tools. If you have countless different product and service to sell through your site, then you will find that it can become difficult tracking everything. How do you find out what is earning you the most money? How do you chase up the money you haven't received? How can you create links for each of those different products? And the answer is to use a tool such as Tracknomic or Genuine Link. This allow you to quickly find and add different affiliate accounts and then to generate link for those product. What's more is that they will let you track the performance of each. Both these tools have Chrome's plugins, meaning that you can simply negative to a page where the sell what you are looking for and then click a button and automatically generate the necessary links. The only catch is that Tracknomic cost $500 per month. Beginner might wish to stick with genuine link then, but this does also give you a clue as to how much the really big brand are making for this process. 3. Use top 10 lists. Then you have tons of options for selling this product. You no longer need to market it hard toward other internet entrepreneurs. Now you can create 10 top 10 list with great SEO in order to bring the regular customer. Let's go back to those gaming laptops. Let's say you want to create a list of expensive laptops that will bring new visitors to your site and result in conversation for you. What might someone search for when looking to buy those products? Well, the top graphic card right now is the RTX 2080. That is the most what most people will want to if they are looking to buy a top end gaming laptop, and it also guarantees the product will be expensive. If we quickly head over to keyword research tools such as keywordtools.io, then we can see that best first of these RTX 2080 laptops that has a search volume of 6600, and we can rest assured that most people searching this phase will have the intent to buy from you. Add some bullet to your post along with your SEO, and your link might appear in the CRP with rich snippet, leading to much higher click-through rates. Write a great article and you will encourage your conversation too. 4. Build a passionate audience. Using the above outlined strategy, it would be possible to sell lots of product from your site without needing to build any kind of regular audience. That said, it is still highly recommended that you do take the time to build that audience. When you take time to build an audience that trust you, that make you throw leads and an influencer, this makes all the different when it come to your conversation. When someone know you and trust what you have to say, that means they will have a reason to listen to your product recommendations. They know that they like your style and you have spent time developing a relationship. Not only that, but you will have spent time and effort targeting precisely the right people. To get to this point, you need to focus on delivering consistently fantastic content in your niche while also having a strong social presence. Focus on relationship and communication. Help your follower to feel like they know you. When it comes to actually written content, the goal should be to offer an original take on the subject and to only write about a subject you are passionate about. This will be the difference between reaching existing customer, which might also be outside of a low quality. Various written something new and interesting that one has heard before. Put it this way, you can't become a thought leader if you don't understand the subject and you are just copying other people's content. Create a strong brand, know your target demographic, and don't try to appeal to everyone. Don't do this, and you will grow rapidly and engaging several fold. 5 UCPPC. Now you have now you have long-term reader buying from you as well as first-time visitor that you have found you on Google. By combining sales from these two sources, you can drastically increase your revenue. But we are going to go one step further by also throwing in PPC for good measure. PPC is of course pay per click, which is a type of advertising offered by Google and Facebook. What this allow you to do is to pay for ads only if someone actually click them. The reason this is important is that they give you certain cost of each visitor to your site. If you know your conversion rate and the amount of profit you make from those conversations, then you can work out a strategy that will guarantee you return.